and welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Georgette, and if you're new to me, welcome for the first time. My channel is all about inspiring you, motivating you, and in doing so, you may just transform your life like I have done. So at the end, please smash the subscribe, like, and share for your girl. Yes. And so we're going to get right into it because this topic here is something that we all go through or will go through. And what I want to talk about is how do you rescue yourself from pain? Wow, that's a big one. How do we rescue ourselves when we're in pain? Whether it's a divorce, whether it's a death in the family, whether it's loss, investment, we go through pain in many areas of our lives. And you have some persons that just allow it to take them out. I mean, go into severe depression. So this video I'm doing here is a very, very important video because this is serious. When you're in pain, a lot of persons don't know how to get themselves from one state to the next. And I am so blessed that I have had learned how to take myself out of state of pain, anger, hurt, into a joyful state. I learned that. And I want to share that with you. When you're going through pain, and I named some of the things already, death, loss, you invest all your money, happened to me, lost it, invest in a business and had to shut the doors, death, divorce. How do we really handle that to really get over that? Instead of living there and just melting away. How do you really handle that, guys? I'm going to share with you. First, you have to acknowledge that you're in pain. You see, if something is going on at this particular moment in your life, acknowledge it that, you know what? I am hurt. Or I'm in pain right now because I'm not able to afford such and such. I'm not able to afford my overheads. And so I am really, really in a state right now of uncertainty and has caused pain and become anxious. So first, acknowledge that. But then when you acknowledge that, okay, right now I'm really not feeling so good. I'm feeling stressed. I'm feeling burdened with the bills piling up. Acknowledge that. Oh, I'm feeling so stressed right now. I'm going through a divorce. My husband or my wife. Or acknowledge the pain that you are in. But you're going to now have to find action steps to take on a daily basis. Not one time, not tomorrow and then never do it again. Not tomorrow and the day after, 3 days of intensity and then stop. After you acknowledge that I'm in a lot of pain because I'm so uncertain, I'm in a lot of pain because the bills are due, I'm in a lot of pain, then allow yourself and then start to now brainstorm. How can I now resolve the pain that I am in? Because not having the money and all of that, okay, fine. But you are in pain. How do you find a place to live inside of you that has no pain, to reside there daily? You have to then come up with an action plan. You have to come up with the action plan, and then you have to be willing to execute that plan daily. And for me, I can share some stories with you that when I feel that I am in pain for one thing or the next, it's all about your habits. It really, really is about your habits. I've done a lot of videos on habits and stuff. But guys, I promise you, it really is about the choices that we make. Because at some time in our lives, we all are going to come across pain and hurt and disappointments. But how do you rescue? Do you live there? How do you rescue yourself? Do you live in the pain, guys? So many people may be going through a rough time in their lives. But how do you move from that place of pain? How do you rescue yourself? And so I feel like this is a very important video because I want to share with you that you can rescue yourself, but you have to be willing to develop habits daily. Yeah, you know, the mirror is such a powerful thing, and I speak about the mirror so often. Guys, if you only know how powerful the mirror is, that when you're looking into the mirror, you're actually looking deep into your soul. You're looking deep into your soul, that you can heal your soul by mirror techniques and telling yourself positive words. That's a big one for me because I do mirror technique every day. And like I said, you have to be willing to take action to rescue yourself from the pain daily. That's what I said to you earlier. Not what you do today or tomorrow and the day after and then you're done. You have to be willing to rescue yourself from that pain daily and you will see results. So guys, go in the mirror, look in the mirror and start with positive words. Empower yourself. I love you. I love you, Georgette. I love you. You're beautiful, Georgette. You're smart. You're intelligent. You're amazing. You're a queen. You're a goddess. Guys, I promise you, if you feed your spirit those wonderful things, you will start to come out of the pain that you're feeling because you're empowering yourself. My big one is that I'm powerful and I'm strong. I repeat that every day, guys. I am powerful and I am strong. Yes. And how I work out, I feel strong. You know, so even when I feel not so strong, I empower myself. Affirmations are very big for me. And so affirmation goes with the mirror technique because you have to call yourself. You have to call out. You have to call it out of you every day in the mirror. I love you, Georgette. You are powerful. You're strong. You're amazing. You're a goddess, girl. Even though you're in pain, you might not be smiling, but you have to empower yourself, guys, because we all go through pain. I promise you, we all go through pain, many things that causes us to go through pain. But you have to find a way to rescue yourself. You cannot live there. You cannot live there. You cannot live in that place. You know, and I'm going to share a real quick story. And my daughter probably may not want me to share this, but you know, today, she's still home from college. She leaves in a week time. She'll be home for my birthday. The countdown is on. It's 6 days to the 13th. And someone got into her account and she works on campus and she has her funds. And someone got into her account to hack her account and went to withdraw all of her monies. And the messages just keep coming in. Oh, your password has been changed. Your email has been changed. Your phone number has been changed on file. And so she jumped on I have a Magic Jack, and she jumped on it and called Wells Fargo right away. And she was so shaken up. She's an 18-year-old kid. She was so shaken up. And then when I was going out to exercise, she said, Mommy, I don't want to go. And she was just laying down to think that that could have happened. We called and they shut it down. They actually, before she called, they shut it down because you don't go and change password, and they changed it so many times and then try to transfer money. They before she called, they actually shut down her account. So all of her funds are still there. And she was really shaken up that people can do this, right? She doesn't know who was doing it. And she was laying in the couch as I was getting ready to go jog. And I said, come on, baby, let's go. And she said, no, I don't want to go. I said, yeah, you got to change your state, baby. That's what you call about taking yourself from one state to the next. And I put some reggaeton music on. And we went upstairs and we started to get ready to go out and exercise. And then I let her drive my Jeep. And she loves to drive. Every time we go and she want to drive, I have to say no. Sometimes, you know, I said, you're not on my insurance. But I said, guess who's driving today? And she was so happy. And so I allow her to change her state. You cannot dwell in pain. Pain will totally take you out of this life. If you allow yourself to be immersed in pain and worry and stressed and be anxious, it won't be good. It won't be good for you. You will go into a severe depression. I did a video about depression and anxiety. You can check it out. I perhaps may leave it popping out. But those are some severe states, you know, guys. It's real. Because I watched my daughter. She was just shaking up. She's like, Mommy, I can't believe it. I see they tried to clean. They were leaving $2. They were trying to transfer all of it and left $2 on her account. And she got so shaken up. We both got shaken up. I'm like, oh my gosh, Jordan, Oh my gosh. And she called. And I just say, all is going to be well. All is going to be well. And I just kept repeating that because, I know about affirmation. Like, everything is going to be well. All your money is on your account. And so, guys, you have to find the action step that you're going to take immediately. Now, I know that may not be immediate because you have to acknowledge that you're in pain. And you can allow yourself a couple minutes, to be in pain. But, guys, don't live there. Don't live there. That will lead to severe depression. And that takes you into medication and just lead you down a path that you don't want to go. So find the action plan very quickly. If you meditate, that's a perfect way. Find a guided meditation. I like the silver meditation. The older gentleman, I like that. And you perhaps can find it's right on YouTube here. Just type in silver method meditation. And it's a guided meditation. So anytime you find yourself in pain, worry, upset, fear, acknowledge it and say, you know what, I think I'll go and shut this down. Because after that transpired, I went into meditation. Okay? And so the mirror work with positive words, which are called affirmations and meditation, that will take you from one state to the next. But guys, with everything, a habit is something you practice daily. You have to practice these empowering habits daily. You have to. That's the only way change comes about. It's through repetition. You're only programmed through repetition, what you do daily. So guys, that's how you can really rescue yourself from pain. I promise you guys, I do that on a daily. I rescue myself because we know that my mentor said that we have over 6,000 thoughts per day. Wow. Do you think that they're all positive? Heck no. They're mostly negative. So you got to rescue yourself every day. But a lot of persons don't know how to change your state. I had to tell my daughter, get up and say, Mommy, I don't feel like going jogging. I said, I know you don't feel like going jogging. But if you follow the way you feel, you will find yourself digging deeper and just thinking the worst thing. Because I said they did not get the money. They shut it down. But here it is. You're just so shaken up that people can do that and you don't know who's doing that. And so I said, no, and she had such an amazing time. We had a wonderful time. We jogged and we walked on the beach just now. And she's upstairs taking a shower and all of that. And I tell her that we may play Uno. And I just want to cheer her up, because she's home just for a short time. So we may go and play Uno while I'm still working. But I'm going to spend even 20 minutes with her and play some Uno. And probably put some music on and just change the vibe. You know what I'm saying? So guys, that's how you can really rescue yourself from pain and change your state. It's by implementing an action plan, new habits, empowering habits. Yeah. So guys, I thank you for watching and I hope you would have gained a lot of value. I really do hope so, that I can bring you great content each day. And so please interact with me. Leave a comment in the box. I really do respond to all of your comments. Smash in on the subscribe. Leave those thumbs up and keep watching because I'm going to leave videos popping up. I love you so much. I love you and I appreciate you watching every day and commenting and liking. Please also share and put your notifications on. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you so much love and light. Mwah! Bye-bye. Until next time.